This is Relations 4.2 Pre-Algebra First Hour by Brighton Pearsall. Have fun.
Hello there. Relations are any set of ordered pairs. Relations are basically explaining to you how to compare the x-coordinates to the y-coordinates on a graph. The domain and the range, domain being the x-coordinates and range being the y-coordinates, tell you where you can find them related to the graph.
Here are the steps on how to use relations. Number 1. Set up the table for a problem. Number 2. Compare the x and y from the table on the graph. Number 3. The x and y have a certain distance separating each other. Find the number of the distance and relate it to the graph. Number 4 is quite simple. Solve it.
Here are some examples from an actual graph. So for this, we're going to do the first graph. The x being the domain and y being the range. -5 and 2 is this one, right here. 6 over 2 would be this one. This one. My bad. 6 over 2 is this one. 3 over -1 would be this one. And 1 over 5 would be this one. Now for this one, x and y, x being these, y being the others, -2 over 3. 2 over, 3 across, quadrant 2. 1 over 2 is this one. 0 over -1 is this one. And 3 over 1 is this.
Hello, this is a real-world example. It costs $3 an hour to fly on Bajunga Airlines. Here are the x and y versions for this. For every 1 hour that you fly on Bajunga Airlines, it's $3. So if you are on there for 3 hours, it is $9. If you're on there for 4 hours, it's $12. For 5, it's $15, and for 6, it is quite simply $18. Now here is the graphing for it.
This is the graph. So all of this is directly proportional. For every 1 hour, it is $3, and it goes like that for the entire problem. And here is it in ratio form. 3 hours, 9, 4 hours, 12, 5 hours, 15, and 6 hours, quite simple, 18. Okay, hey Bright, did you know relations are a collection of ordered pairs?
No, I didn't know that.
Hey, how about that we call domains x and ranges y?
Wow. Did you know that there are 4 ways to represent a relation? Mapping a graph, ordered pairs, a table of values, and graphs.
That's awesome.